What's up, my good people? Welcome to another video. I know I have been gone for a while. Yeah, the code has been busy with me, but other than that, we are back continuing with our portfolio reviews. Two things to mention: we have our trophies. I'm not gonna show you now because I haven't printed them and I need to finalize everything. Our sponsor came through. I'll mention them on the next video. Secondly, also the prices are also in order. Our second sponsor is also gonna give us some of the prices, and I also fill out some of the prices that need to be there. So we do have the trophies for top 3, and we also have take a lot vouchers for the top 3. So that is all sorted. On the next episode, I really promise this time they'll definitely be there. So without wasting your time, we have 15 portfolios. We're going to try to break some record here. We're going to try to do 15 portfolios in 20 minutes. I'm not going to dive way into deep. I think we all know the things that I'm going to be looking out for: accessibility of information. Am I captured to stay on the site? Do I want to see more? How easy it is to navigate within? Are there projects within the portfolio? And just to clarify, I'm reviewing the portfolio, not the projects that you've done. If I want to do that, I'll do another in a separate video. I think you've seen we have like 100 comments in that post. I still have to go through each and every one. We are reviewing just the portfolio, how you are presenting yourself, not the actual deep dive into the content. I hope that is clear. I hope no one takes offense after I've rated them. So without further ado, let's get into the video, man. I'm excited. We're gonna try to do this 15 straight away. Our very first portfolio today is coming from Marco, and I'm landing here. I'm already thinking you might be a backend guy. You might be a backend guy. I can see it. There's not much into it. It does what it's supposed to do. You have your skills here, which are the languages. That's junk. Okay, that's like frameworks. We have frameworks and the soft skills here, and you have the information, but it's not quite captivating. There's not much personality into it. You can see just maybe it was a backend guy trying a front-end project. And then from then you have projects. Okay, nice. You have a loader. You have the pictures. You can click here if you want to click. Okay, that's GitHub as well. So we do have the project, and you also put the personal word portfolio. I think you can structure the pictures quite a bit better. You can see they are kind of stretched out, and also the theme and everything services here. So overall, it does what it's supposed to do, but there's not much into it. There's not much personality, or it's education. Where did education come from? Okay, that's education. And then back, when I go back to home. Okay, I don't know how we go back to home. I think probably here. Okay, cool. Education was still there. So that's cool. You can get the CV here. You can maybe put a bit of more context of your GitHub, LinkedIn, your emails and whatnot. I always talk about this and try not to put too much text here as well. Just straight to the point, reorganize the information and try to style it out a bit. Overall, Marco, I think it is a portfolio, but I'm gonna have to give you a 5 out of 10. It's a portfolio, but there's not much to it for me to give you a bit high up. Let me know if you think I'm fair in the comments, but I think that's definitely fair. Coming into Samgelo Mfosi, you saw when I was landing onto it, just that's a nice touch to it. Looking at it already, I'm liking what I'm seeing. Checking for anything, if it's AI or whatnot, might not know fully, but landing onto it, I like the style. I like how it's cool. Picture, you could have used something a bit more professional, if I should put it that way. Something light up, someone where they can see you clearly. I'm pretty sure you don't need like a camera for that. And your biography is way too big. Like, I haven't known much about you. Turning vision to radio code and design, a skilled software developer. I'm learning here. I still don't know what you do, what languages you use, how many years of experience you have. Those are the information, if you're a junior developer or what. I'm not quite sure. Even here I can get your resume. Cool. Design, nice. Web design, I think this is what it's for. If it's for web design, then it's cool. You can put web design, something like that. But for a software developer, you are not representing yourself very well. Projects, these are the projects. They are styled out nicely, styled out very nicely. The design, if I would have to rate the design alone, I would do like an 8 or an 8.5. I love that. But the information is where it's kind of tricky. I think we should put more information that will speak about you straight. It's not too much here, but your name, you have your name there, you're a skilled software developer, how many years do you have, or what languages do you use, something like that, like a skilled software developer with expertise in C# and whatnot and SQL. Biography is not important, put it very far. I've talked about this before. Don't prioritize it. Design excellence and drives. Yeah, web design, the design, man, is really cool, really cool. I think just for the design I will give you an overall 6.5 out of 10. The design is very nice. I like the portfolio. The only thing that is bringing you down is how you're organizing the information. I'm not sure if you don't have a degree as well. I don't see where you studied and all of that. The contact is fine, but it's just the information, man. I think I've spoken about all of the things. Cool how you try to find the right image there. I love the design. Information is not put the way it's supposed to be. Yeah, that's what's bringing you down. Cool. We'll move to Paco Mampane. Cool. Full stack developer. You see what I'm talking about? Is you land full stack developer and data analyst. Cool. I know what you do now, right? I can contact you. I can download the CV. Information is okay. Information is okay. Cool. The picture is also okay, but it looks like you were out in an event or you were coming from Groove or something, but that's none of my business, right? About you, very far, very far. We'll look at it at the end. Experience, cool, it should be up there as it should. Education as well, give me that, both of this, that's spot on. And view my work. What does this do? Bug. Or it's delays. Okay, it takes you here. I don't think you need this here because you want to view your work, you can already just scroll. These are your projects, that's your work, right? Nice display on this. It is getting a kind of repetitive. I've been seeing people using this style to show their portfolios, but it works, so cool. Are there any boilerplates, your toolbox and whatnot? That is cool. And your contact information in detail. Overall, the design, not too crazy, it's okay. There's a lot of unused space here that I think you can center it down, move it down, Yana, and you can refine that a bit, and some cool animation. So overall, you got the information quite correct, and you can see you can easily access this and contact you. Does it work? Yes, take you to contact you directly. So that's cool. I think overall I'll give you a 7 out of 10. Nothing too crazy. It's just information is correct, is there, it has that bit of personality and all. Cool. Thokozani, I think I've seen this. I think I've already reviewed this portfolio, man. Nah, I've reviewed this portfolio, man. There's no way I haven't seen this. Am I crazy? Guys, have you seen this portfolio? If you've seen this portfolio, we've reviewed it before, please let me know. But I think there might be a bit of a, I like how the projects are displayed, eh? In progress, this is the one. You see how it's best representable. Like even if I'm looking at it, I want to see what's going on, the mobile app, all of that. So that's really dope. That's what you strive for. Okay, web dev, enterprise data, work experience, full stack dev. Cool, man. I like Thokozani, software developer. Cool, straight to the point, a bit of graphics into it. I like even what you did, the toolbox does look like an image or a GIF, but still cool. It connects to all of this, so the design is still nice. Overall, work experience, cool. Hire me, projects are well. Overall, I'll give you I think I'll give you a 7, if not a 7.5 out of 10, just because how the projects look so nice and clean, and they're just captivating for someone to look at. Work experience is up there as well. The toolbox, you can put the work experience even higher, about you and whatnot. This is a cool site. I think a 7.5 suffice. I'll give you a solid 7.5. I like the thing. Simple, straight to the point, nice design. Cool. We're in 7 minutes. Let's try to make it to 20 as I hoped. Okay, we have Suma Mbulali. That's dope. Software developer and problem solver. I craft digital, whatnot and whatnot. That's cool. That's a nice saying. Then you have something. Is this an image? Yeah, probably an image, but I like simple designs. What do we have here? Portfolio assistant. This is nice, man. People do have portfolio assistants. Who is this? Siashuma. We have to check it out if it's functional and how are you fitting this. I can help you with information about Suma education on I'd say everything, and see what it will say. Oh, we have a new keyboard if you haven't seen. Hello, I'm here to help you to learn more about Suma work and experience. I said I want to know everything. Tell me. Okay, it seems like it kind of works, but it needs specific things for you to know. Here, this is the media house and whatnot. These are projects. That's dope featured projects. About me, yes, you can put it down there. It's okay, or just put it on the side. Work experience. This is what should go up. You're working for upside, and you're gonna put it down there. Siyashuma. Don't do that. Don't do that. But other than that, simple design, I like it. Color schemes on point. Bit of reorganizing the information. Probably could also put the pictures here to represent whatever this is, whatever the project is, and it makes it much more cleaner. I like it. Nothing too crazy. 7. Lindani Mtembu. Okay, Lindani Mtembu, you are also a backend dev. There's no way you are a designer, chess player and whatnot. There's no way. There's no way. Not that your design is terrible. Okay, it's bad. It's bad. But tutor STEM, cool. But when you land here, y'all can see, like you can see a backend dev. You don't need to do much. What is that? That's your navigation. Cool. Now, I think you've seen with the previous portfolios and how people have structured it. Please take this as feedback and try to play around with it. I can see you have the contacts here, but yeah, the design is not coming. It's tough, yo. It's tough. I can see a backend dev when I see one. There's no way you're a designer. Other than that, look at the other ones, get inspired of them, try to do something a bit more unique, try to play around with the style, and I'm pretty sure even when someone will come here, it's not captivating, man. So yeah, on the design side, it's going way down. About you, even like reading the information, is not captivating for me to stay and all of that. So I'll have to give you a 4 out of 10. I have to give you a 4 out of 10. You can see Marco got a 5, but Marco's stuff is a bit better because I don't know, it's better compared to this. So yeah, definitely a 4. Mohammed Hamza. Is this a template? Not sure. Okay, cool. This is a portfolio. Is Mohammed Hamza. This is what I'm talking about. Main stack, developer, crafting, this, using this. You land here, you understand what this person is doing, and you can contact them, GitHub and whatnot, and all of this thing, download resume. This is cool, man. Just have the information there to be accessible. So someone will get there, they see, oh, this is nice. Who I am, cool, nice picture, man, wherever you were, but I think this could go to the other side, completed high school, I guess. This kind of like a mini CV in a way. Project displayed nicely, man. You can remove this to the other side, and this looks nah. These are the images. You see, when I look at this, I can see what you're talking about and what's there, and I can see the links to go to view it and all of that. Not sure if they work, but if they don't work, please try to fix them. I'm not saying that they don't work, but I like this design. I've seen simple designs and all of that, but I think this one is kind of my favorite. I'm giving you a 7.5 out of 10. Could bump it up to 8, but I like this. I definitely love this. Do you have any experience? Okay, you don't have any experience, and you have your projects up there and what you know and all of that. I love this. I like it. 7.5 for now. 7.5. Azaam dev. Hello there. Azaam, web development, game development. Cool. I learned there. I understand what your skills are. Second year student. Okay, for student. Cool. You're trying to play around with the designs as well. You have your LinkedIn and GitHub there. Simple, straight to the point. Nothing too crazy. I'm gonna give you a 6 out of 10. I think you're still discovering the animations and all of that. You could have done a bit more better. It's readable. It does what it's supposed to do. And at a second year level, impressive for a second year. I couldn't do it at a second year. I started like actually coding mostly in my final year, like coding final projects. Before then I was doing like, you know, your basic lead code kind of problems or data structures and algorithms. So for a second year, keep it up, man. I think look at the other people and what they're doing, and then you could see. Come on now. Who's this? Booting system loading. Initialize launch sequence initial. See, now I won't know how to use this. Okay, it was loading. Let's reshape digital frontier. If you're a designer, this is really dope. Sizwe Pilanim Tembo. Cool. Personalized, whatever that you are doing here, I can see your intention. Oh, it moves. Cool, man. Show off. Cool. Passionate full stack devs in modern web, creating efficient, scalable. It was really dope. This is a really dope portfolio. Creativity side, 9 out of 10. That is dope. Hire me. No, I'm joking. Education experience, straight up. Diploma in IT, all of this and whatnot. This is cool. Information straight up. Projects. We're still going on with the theme, and we try to put more like minimized projects. You can view more if you want to. That's really dope. Try to get straight to the point. Organizing of information. I love this portfolio. It is very unique and specific. I hope you didn't use some crazy things, templates to create it, but I love how you created this. Let me know what stack you used. I love this. I'm giving you a 9 out of 10 so far. It's one of the ones that I loved today. Everything has been on point. Loading, education and experience, all of the things that I've been mentioning. 9 out of 10. 9. See, I'm not stingy. It's not like I'm stingy. I'm not stingy, man. Okay, well, with Sifiso Vinjua. Cool. Sifiso I see about and all of this. Cool. Java and Spring Boot, I already know what you're doing. That's dope. Professional picture. Get in touch, download CV. Damn, it wants to rain. Okay, that's okay. Your journey, you can put all of the other things. You can try to reorganize the about me and put like key achievements, maybe if you want to put them to be there, because it's a bit clustered now. Yeah, it's a bit clustered and it's kind of hard to read. Professional experience, put it up there. That's dope. Organized well, front-end developer and all of that. Cool. Yeah, it does what it's supposed to do. Nice template as well. Oh, you featured your videos as well. Oh shit, I know you dude. I think I've seen you from TikTok. Definitely seen you from TikTok. Shout out to you. I see you also have the AI assistant there. Is this things like, is that a call? Are these things like, how did you code all of this? Is this can you please let us know what you used to code all of this in the comment section. I'm gonna give you a 7 out of 10 just for now. I hope you didn't really use some boilerplates and whatnot. I mean, it does serve the purpose and you do whatever that you need to do, but you do need a bit of creativity, and it's mainly about showing off what you can do. So 7 out of 10 for now, because you have the AI thing. I'm not sure if it works. Tell me everything. Okay, it does the animation there. See, let me say skills. It's like it's giving the same thing that it was doing with the other ones. So it's like it's looking for exact words, so it doesn't like have context. Cool. 7. Yeah, this is a really big portfolio, but I'm gonna give you a 7 out of 10, man. Nice portfolio overall. Thabiso, creative developer. Okay, let's see how creative you are. Squid Game, featured projects. Straight into it, man. I love this. My skills dashboard. Cool. Web development. Straight to the point, nothing too crazy. Design, it is there. It is creative. Don't have a problem with it. I think I'm gonna give you also a 7 out of 10. Straight to the point, featured projects and whatnot. Where can you contact you? You can do the contacts there. I like the color schemes on the first part, but yeah, some of the blues I think could have been another color, but I'm not a designer, so that is cool as well. A developer who is interested in more than just code. Kabelo has a national diploma. More about Kabelo. Software developer. Seems simplistic and just plain, but let's see what else that it have about. And then we have projects. Okay, we're going for HTML style projects. Let's see them. Cool. Keeping the style throughout. Contact. Okay, I want to see when we're there. The loading image, yeah, could be optimized. More about Gabel, so that's just more information. So cool. All right, Kabelo, you see the projects we have, the projects there, we can view them and they have the loaders, but I think you're still definitely finding your feet. Overall, I'll give you a 6 out of 10. I'm even inclined to give you a 5.5, but I'll stick with the 6 for now because yeah, it's still university. Okay, cool. I think I've seen this one as well. Said I know you. I've seen this one as well. Have I seen this one? I'm not sure. Please let me know if you've seen this one. Cool. Tebogo Nelson. Let's see. Mr. Mandela. Livestock Hub. Okay. So your project. What are you? Aspiring software engineer. Please just write junior software engineer. You don't have to be aspiring. Cool. Download CV. Contact you there. That is cool. Semi profile picture. You're wearing a suit, so that's dope. Programming languages. Overall, nothing too crazy. It is themed black and red, which is consistent as we're going down. Email J. Cool. You're writing the skills, the projects there, source code. That's dope. I hope these are public if you put the source code there. Yeah. 6.5 out of 10. Cool. Go even 6, but I think 6.5 out of 10 is enough. Cool. Tula Sizwe Nkambule. This is actually my colleague. Yeah, he's a front-end dev. Let's be checking out. Okay, we learned here different design. I like different things to begin with, so that's why I think you've seen the pattern that I've tried to point out in other projects, that it's kind of like repetitive. I like that it's different. You have a theme, that theme and whatnot. I hope this is not a bug. It's like okay, I think this is a design about me and whatnot. Can contact you here. This is a bit fading away. I'm not sure if it's the quality or whatnot. You are the front-end dev. You can contact you here. Okay, cool. When we learned, it's the about you. It's more like just a CV here that is digitalized, and you have your education and then you have your experience. Cool. We move to portfolio. Portfolio, we have all of this. Damn, really a front-end dev, React Native. Okay, this works. It filters the projects and all of that, and then you have all here. Okay, it's relevant to front end achievements. This is all about it. I like that it's a different kind of theme, but overall nothing too crazy. Information is there and a bit of a different design, straight to the point. I'll give you a 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. Cool. Where am I going? Eric, you're the last one. Oh, nice. Something different. Okay, different cursor. Home about mobile developer. Nice image there, blends in very nice. About you, cool. You know what I usually say about me: web development, mobile development, UI UX. Damn, going all out, man. Let me already write you. I can see. Eric, you are making the list. Can already see. Okay, journey experience, you have this. It can go a bit up. You've been a developer from March 22 in the UK. Are you in the UK or you're working for a UK company? This is really dope, man. I like the design part about. Okay, this is just for navigation and experience and whatnot. But overall, guys, you can see when you land here. Oh, based in Africa. Oh, we got a portfolio from Zambia. Shout out Zambia, man. Shout out international channel. Joking. That's really dope. Creating portfolios and whatnot. Straight to the point, man. Contact you. Look at that animation when I press on the thing. It goes like, damn, man, you're really a designer. This is dope. I like this. It's just interactive. And then the information, you can go there. About me could have been on the other side. Oh, it's even moving to the side. And you see straight up web development, the things that it does. Cool, but I think this, what you know is, can go a bit down. The experience should definitely be up there. Experience needs to go up there, and then the projects as well. Okay, let's see your projects. This is dope. You see how it this is dope, man. Look at how this thing is also displayed. Cool, man. Oh, we can go to the app to download it and all of that. Enough glazing. I like this portfolio. I think it's making the list. I'm giving you a solid 9. I'm giving you a 8.5. I'm gonna go with 8.5. I think with a bit of organizing the information, definitely a 9+ portfolio. Nice with this as well, and the designing part and how everything is loading, man, is just nice. pretty dope, and the projects are laid out well. So that brings us to the end of our episode 3. Was it episode 3 or 4? I think it's 4, if not 3, but you'll see down there. And see you on the next one. We're trying to wrap this up this year, so for sure this year ends, I need to give people what belongs to them. And shout out for you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. I know I didn't drop last week. Most likely I might drop during the week a video, probably a vlog. We'll see about that. So thank you for watching. Thank you for submitting your portfolios. These are really dope, man. I'm finding a lot of things. Eric, you are going on to the list, and I think the last person, there's another person that really, I think I gave them a 9. Oh, this will be criminal for me not to put you here, man. This will be yo. I know you're gonna kill me. Sizwe Pilani. Our top 10 is getting long, so at some point we're gonna chop some people off. And yeah, I think Kelvin might go. Yeah, he had the dope one, but it was more on there. Yeah, I remember Kelvin. I'm sorry, you've been knocked out. We have Moepi, Sulaiman, Tsepo, Comfort, Twala, Eric, and Sizwe Pilani. So we have 6 people so far. So gonna go through the top 10 at the end, and this is it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one, man. Peace out.